I'm going to the bathroom. Can I have some privacy?
That little guy is a toucan. Toucans are incredibly social birds that are native to the Amazon rainforest and are actually known for their loud yapping. Their colorful beaks are made of keratin, the same material that our hair, a rhino's horn, and a pangolin scale are made of. There are actually 43 different types of toucan. The largest is the choco toucan, which is as big as a house cat, and the smallest is actually the pygmy toucan, which is about the size of a banana. This is the Rainforest series by Abracadabra Books. Follow for more fun facts.